Video I'm going to show you how to go through this particular assignment. So the first thing you need to know is that the UDL principles are the engagement and the representation and action and expression. Beneath these categories are guidelines, and we're going to focus on this red area right here, which is action and expression. We're going to divide your learning into 3 parts of these guidelines. This right here is the video I'm actually having you watch right now. If you'd like to take notes, you can make a copy of this particular document. When you click on this, it will ask you to make a copy. I'm not going to make a copy, but if you do make a copy and you scroll down here, you can put notes in these particular areas or just click down below here and take notes as you would. If you choose not to take notes, that's okay. You can use paper and pencil or something else. Just so you know, and this is more of a teacher resource, this right here takes you down to this bookmark. This is a wonderful website, the Holt Graphic Organizer website. If I was to click on this, you're going to see a ton of different graphic organizers that you can assign in Google Classroom and your students can annotate and turn into. There are a lot. In this particular video right here, it shows you how you do that and how you assign Google Classroom. So something that you can do later if you like, but something worthwhile in my opinion. Going back up here, many of the resources have the ability to listen, and we know with UDL, providing different options to engage in the content is very important. So we try to do that through our activities. So if you don't have the read-write extension automatically added, and you can see up here that I see that is there, you can click on this and it's going to take you to here, and you want to go ahead and add it. I'm going to X this out for now. Once you add it, if you do not see it up here, just click up on the puzzle piece and you'll see it here. And if you'd like to pin it, just go ahead and click on that button. You can see it's now gone. If I click on that puzzle piece and I want it to appear, it will reappear. I like to have it showing. You can also move it if you prefer, if you use different things in different order. So if I did want to have this read to me, I could highlight and, I have to turn it on first, so let's go ahead and turn that on. Once you click that, this will appear. Now sometimes this little puzzle piece shows as a little tab, and you might need to click on that there. But once I've highlighted, I can go ahead and click.
The 3 rows below are the 3.
You can see it's reading, which is really nice. I just pause it, I can stop it. I can also highlight information as I choose. There are different colors that I can use to highlight. All right, so there's a lot of different things that are very nice for kids here as well. We do have a video tutorial and another resource from last week that shows you all the features in read-write. It is automatically pushed out to students, which is very, very nice. All right, going back to your activity. You have the 3 segments right here down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag below. You're going to start off with provide options for physical actions. And you're going to notice here that the little dot kind of shows you where it is in the UDL framework. There's a video that talks about this particular area. There's also a document. You can click on that. And there's a website. The websites automatically have a speech to text on it. So if you click on it, you don't really need to use read-write because it's right here. So if I do want to highlight something, I can just select it here.
Textbook or workbook.
Which is nice. Please note that underneath action and expression, there are different areas here as well, which you will see in each one of these websites. You're going to go through each category. Notice that now you're going to be moving here, which is expression and communication. And then you're going to go down to the last one right here, which is provide options for executive functions. So we want you to go through as many of these as you possibly can, just so you can experience what that might look like for students. Other than that, when you're done, feel free to take notes, rest, be prepared to talk to like categories, people who did the actual same category as you. So you can discuss what you saw and what you noticed, where you saw UDL woven in, and maybe a little bit of information about the content itself.